Now, right before this video, you're going to see where we went to one of our local meat markets in our area. BK Miller's. It's in Clinton, Maryland. But you can pretty much go in there and do a nice meat haul. So check that video. 2 in 1 packaging. That was a deal. These are so good. Cook them for about 8 minutes or so. Put some garlic butter on top. And so this is the meat haul. The next time we go in there, we're going to try out is about the little knick-knack stuff to go on the side. So I want to see how that deal is going to work out. Y'all, Daddy pizza almost got messed up. I'm trying to move the toppings back to where they should be. But I took him to the new giant that he's going to add on the pizza. Okay. Now, look at this, y'all. He found this. Have you ever seen these caramelized bok choy? We got 3 bushels of those. Daddy likes